Meet Audio8 TTS in preview, the little text to speech model that punches way above its weight. At just zero point 0.6 billion parameters, it's the smallest model in its class at the moment, yet it goes toe to toe with giants 7 or 8 times its size like MOS TTS at 8.5 billion and Higgs Audio V2 at 4.7 billion. In this video, we are going to install it locally, we will talk about its architecture, and we are going to test it out. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Let's get the installation underway and we will talk more about this model. This is my Ubuntu system. I'm using one GPU card, which you can also obtain at very good price from Mass Compute, and I will also drop the link to their website with a discount coupon code of 50% in video's description. And now let me git clone the repo and I will again drop the link in video's description. Let's install all the requirements. And now let me launch their inference demo from the root of the repo. And the Gradio demo is running. Let me open it in the browser at localhost port 7860. There you go. So it is still warming up. Let's wait. And I think from the logs, we can see that it is doing some warm-up tests, I guess. So it hasn't downloaded the model yet. So I'm just waiting for it to finish this testing. Meanwhile, maybe we can go and have a quick look at the architecture. The architecture is actually quite simple and not a new one. They have taken it from Fish Audio, and that is what the secret sauce is. It's a dual AR architecture where a slow transformer that maps out one semantic token per audio frame paired with a fast transformer that fills in the acoustic detail, together producing rich 44.1 kHz audio. It is multilingual, speaks around 11 languages from English and Spanish to Japanese, Korean, and it does zero shot voice cloning, which we will also test out once this gets ready. So I have increased the font here just so that you can also look. I'm first going to go with the reference voice. There are few which you can select, and this is a reference text. In this audio, this is my speech text. I'm going to go with English first, which as you can see already selected, and let me now generate its speech. It is running. Let me show you the VRAM consumption. As it is running through SGLang and also has specified a lot of KV cache, so you can see that it is consuming close to 32 gig of memory. You can reduce the KV cache and then it will consume less VRAM. And you can tinker with these generation settings down below. So let me first play the original audio and then we will check out the generated audio.
Hello, nice to meet you. What would you like to talk about today?
Okay, so this is quite an artificial AI voice, but anyway, so this was the source. Let me play the resultant.
Every voice carries a story. With Audio 8, that story can travel across languages and reach more people.
Yeah, I think it is quite plasticky and artificial. Let's try one more. Maybe I will upload my own audio here. Voice carries a story. It was quite fast this time. So what I have done, I have just uploaded my own audio as you can see. And this is the reference text in audio and this is the speech text. Let me first play the source. Joy is found in simple moments of gratitude, and true contentment comes when we truly value the small blessings we already have in life. Let's play the result. Hard is writing story of AI here. Every voice carries a story. Fahad is writing story of AI here. Become a member to tag along the journey. So the voice actual texture is quite good, but it has so deep imprint of artificial voice that I don't think so it's a good result given where we are at in this whole AI journey in terms of this voice clones. So I don't think so it is there yet. Fish audio is much better than that, which is using the same architecture. Let's now do the Spanish. Let me first play the original.
Se recomienda enfáticamente a los viajeros que se informen sobre cualquier riesgo del clima extremo en el área que visitan, dado que ello puede afectar sus planes de viaje.
Let's wait for the
Cada
result.
voz tiene una historia y hoy podemos compartirla de una forma más natural y cercana.
What do you think? Let me generate another one with the same Spanish.
Cada voz lleva una historia. Fahad está escribiendo aquí la historia de la IA. Hazte miembro para acompañar el viaje.
That one is not bad. That one is much better than English. Maybe I will try another English voice. Okay, let's try this
Every
one out.
voice carries a story.
Let me first play the original. This is bit low.
However, due to the slow communication channels, styles in the West could lag behind by 25 to 30 years.
So I just want to check the quality if it is able to enhance it or not. Let me play the result one.
Every voice carries a story. Fahad is writing the story of AI. Become a member to tag along the journey.
Okay, so it has got it right. So even low voices it can pick up. And this one is much better. Let's do another English one. So let's do this one, original.
Then, leaving the corpse within the house, they go themselves to and fro about the city and beat themselves, with their garments bound up by a girdle.
Let's do the result.
Every voice carries a story. Fahad is writing the story of AI. Become a member to tag along the journey.
So it is pretty good in terms of voice cloning, but I believe that there are no emotions and it is still a bit flat. Let's do German now.
Für die besten Aussichten auf Hongkong sollten Sie die Insel verlassen und zum gegenüberliegenden Ufer von Kowloon fahren.
So this is the original. Let me play the result.
Jede Stimme trägt eine Geschichte. Fahad schreibt hier die Geschichte der KI. Werde Mitglied, um die Reise zu begleiten.
Yeah, not bad at all. Really good. Let's do the Polish. Let me play the source.
Podróżni zwiedzający państwa obłożone szczególnie wysokimi podatkami mogą czasem zaoszczędzić sporo pieniędzy, szczególnie na takich towarach jak alkohol i tytoń.
Let's play the result.
Każdy głos niesie ze sobą historię. Fahad tutaj pisze historię o AI. Zostań członkiem, aby towarzyszyć mu w tej podróży.
Yeah, I think I will also get some new samples of bit louder voice, but I think this is also a good test where model is even able to pick up the low voice and it is doing pretty well. So this is it. I think that it's a mixed bag. I still believe for English one it could improve a lot, and also voice is a bit flat. But other than that, given the size of the model, it is not a bad effort at all. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for all the support.